by Betka beach, where the sea does greet. An osprey glides in quiet flight, wings outspread against the early light. Over river dark and ocean bright,
Mallacoota whispers in ancient tones as the osprey watches from his skybound throne. River twists and ocean churns, a dance of waters life returns. Osprey gliding, osprey free, in the wind, wild and wild it's meant to be. From river to the ocean deep, guarding secrets time to keep. Fish below with silver scales, in the morning mist their presence hails. With a dive he breaks the calm, claws extend like a song. Children play neath shading trees, they see the osprey wild and free. Wonder fills their wide sad eyes, dreaming of soaring in those skies. Osprey gliding, osprey free, in the wind, wild and wild it's meant to be. From river to the ocean deep, guarding secrets time to keep. As the light falls on Betka's shore, the osprey soars forevermore. In the quiet dusk, its wings embrace the endless sky, its sacred place. Osprey's wings, wild and true, Betka's heart we soar with you. Silver scales, in the morning mist their presence hails. With a dive he breaks the calm, claws extend like a song. Children play neath shading trees, they see the osprey wild and free. Wonder fills their wide sad eyes, dreaming of soaring in those skies, dreaming of soaring.